Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. In this opportunity, I would like to practice my essay about the role of engineer in handling sugar factory waste with quality standard. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Kamila Mahda Angela. My major is Chemical Engineering and my identification number 19010224. Hope you enjoy in this podcast. The role of engineer in handling sugar factory waste with quality standard. Certainly, the solid waste produced by sugar factory in Indonesia has a relatively large volume. The solid waste in question is filter cake. Filter cake is the result of the process of grinding sugarcane into sugar. In one period, the milling process will usually produce about 3.8% of the sugarcane weight. So far, factories have disposed of their waste by means of open dumping. The factory buys large land which is used to dispose of solid waste. Therefore, the local community takes the waste which is disposed of free of charge to be used as fuel for the brick and tile industry. Filter cake still contains a number of sulfur, so it is good to be used as fuel. However, the filter cake that has been taken by the community cannot afford to use up the existing filter cake. When the land is full, usually with 7 until 8 years. Then the factory buys new land for waste disposal. This, of course, requires a very large cost. Then another alternative is made to deal with solid waste. In the processing of sugar factory waste, there are quality standards because if it doesn't follow quality standards, the resulting waste will cause serious problem for the environment. From this statement, in my opinion, to reduce the problem of sugar factory waste, especially filter cake, it can be done by composting filter cake with cattle ash as raw material. Composting based on oxygen demand is classified into aerobic composting and anaerobic composting. Aerobic composting requires oxygen so that the optimum temperature of compost can be achieved faster. On the other hand, anaerobic composting does not require oxygen so that the optimum temperature is difficult to reach, creates a bad smell, and the process takes a long time. By composting with aerobic and anaerobic system on filter cake, this can reduce the level of hazardous substance that can cause environmental problem. By composting waste processing, level of hazardous substance can drop to 20% according to Harian.com News in a study entitled Analysis of Chemical Engineering Content of Organic Fertilizer from Sugarcane Filter Cake. Composting can also be done by mixing filter cake with cow dung. The basic principle of composting is the suitability of CRN fertilizer with soil condition. The CRN ratio will have an effect on the quality of the fertilizer. So mixing ingredient has a recommended dosage or recipe. So from that data obtained from Ahmad Musin's article, that the composition of the mixture required 54.60% filter cake, and 45.40% cow dung. Data obtained from the Tranquil Sugar Factory: the amount of compost produced per mill for the last 5 years is 4 million kilograms. And composting can also provide the business opportunities for the factory because it can bring financial benefits. These benefits are obtained from the use of compost, 243,000 rupiah for the last 5 years. From some of the data that has been presented, we as engineers can consider waste treatment in a factory so as not to cause existing environmental problem. In waste treatment, especially filter cake waste, we can apply filter cake waste processing with a composting system because this has been done by several studies whose results are relatively good in reducing the percentage of harmful substances. Enough for this video. Thanks for your attention. If any mistake, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.